Hi everyone, welcome to my mostly veggie kitchen, exploring quick and easy ways to use more vegetables in an everyday meal. In this episode, I'm making a keema curry with leftover broccoli stems and Japanese curry roux. Let's begin. Start with chopping an onion. Broccoli stems and carrot. Cook rice before cooking vegetables and meat. I use an instant pot for time saving. Add 1 cup of washed rice, 1 cup of water, and a little bit of olive oil. Close the lid and press the rice button. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add crushed garlic and grated ginger. Add onion, carrot, ground beef, and broccoli stems. Once vegetable and meat are cooked, add Japanese curry roux. There are 8 pieces in a box, but I need only 2 pieces for this recipe. Add them in. Pour 1/3 cup of water. Mix well. The roux starts to melt. Reduce the heat and cook for about 10 minutes. I'm adding my favorite teriyaki sauce. You can also use regular soy sauce here. And it's optional, but I'm also adding curry powder and turmeric for flavor. Continue cooking for a few minutes. Serve the keema curry over the rice. And bon appétit, everyone! I hope you enjoyed my video, and I would love to hear from you. So please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.